Hi gorgeous ladies, welcome back to my style journey. Today we are talking about the leather skirts, the pencil leather skirts. In this video they are trending these days, they are so much in hype. So I will share with you some beautiful ideas of leather skirts. You can pair with different type of tops. So there are so many styling ideas are coming up next in this video for office going ladies, for party wear. There are so many beautiful ideas coming up next, so don't skip the video, watch the whole video and you will find the most amazing designs of skirts. So let's unravel the beauty and sophistication of leather pencil skirts. So as you know, they are a trending fashion of high-waisted skirts, so I just thought to bring a leather skirt collection to give you ideas, to give you inspiration. So in this video you will find the office wear skirt designs ideas for office going ladies or for business women. So as a business woman, you can wear leather skirts, not much glossy, but you can wear the matte leather skirts and it gives you a classy look. So mostly the office going ladies wear light color pencil skirts in leather fabric, but if you have a black skirt, that is like must have in your wardrobe. If you want to have a leather skirt, you must have a black skirt and a white skirt, and along with these two you must have a brown color skirt as well, or a camel color skirt. It gives, like, it looks so amazing while wearing brown color leather skirt with a white top, or a black skirt with a white top, and white skirt with a black top. So there are so many designs of plain tops. There are so many beautiful designs of the printed tops, like floral printed and block printed. So different occasions, like different situations, need a different and unique dressing. So I have just added some beautiful ideas like tops you can wear with these skirts, and you will get ideas which type of tops will suit the most. So if you're wearing a glossy leather skirts, please don't wear a glossy satin silk top. It will not look so good. So you can wear a chiffon top, you can wear like lace tops, that will also look so amazing, and you can wear the denim tops as well. So for party wear, always choose the glossy leather skirts. It gives, like, it looks amazing, it looks unique and so attractive. The maroonish brown skirts are always the best choices. So you will find the petite skirts, you will find the long skirts with leggings, and in the winter season leggings look so amazing with pencil skirts or a straight skirt. So I hope you are getting many amazing ideas in this video. I hope that you are loving these designs. So if you are loving these designs, so please do like my video and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and if you have subscribed my channel, so please do also click the bell icon. So after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section to tell me how was the video, how are the designs, and which type of more collections you want to watch on my channel, which type of videos are more useful for you. And please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Goodbye dear viewers, till the next video. See you soon guys with a new collection of ideas and designs for you in the next video on my channel.